Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a picture collage in our video using CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut, and first of all, I'm going to create new project, and I'm going to go to the photo section right here, and I'm going to choose some photos I'm going to make as collage. And then I'm going to select this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then just click on collage. Okay, then here you can choose the format. For the format, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, then you can also change the ratio if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And then you can click on continue. Okay, and now the photo collage has been created, and then if you want to arrange it, you just need to tap on the layer like this. And for instance, I'm going to zoom out like this. I'm going to apply background to this photo collage. If you want to change the background, you can go to the background. Wait, I'm going to select the background right here, and then click on the background or the type of the background you want to apply to your collage. And I'm just going to choose the image, and I'm going to select background image from the CapCut. Wait, I'm gonna go with, for example, this one. Okay, and click on the check mark, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a photo collage in our video using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.